how much should you actually spend on a full-face motorcycle helmet? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, GLX GX11 Helmet. First up is the GLX GX11 Compact Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet, and right off the bat I was drawn in by its sleek matte black design and budget-friendly price of $67.46. If you want safety without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider this helmet? Well, it boasts a snug, comfortable fit that's engineered for safety. The optimized ventilation system with 3 adjustable air intakes and 4 exhaust outlets means you can customize airflow, which is perfect for those hot summer rides. And let's be honest, having a good field of vision is critical. The GX11's shield offers just that, along with an easy shield replacement mechanism. With over 8,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this helmet definitely has a fan base. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's hard to find a better option when you consider the safety features. If you're primarily riding casually, you might not mind this minor issue. This helmet is perfect for you if you need an affordable, comfortable helmet for everyday rides. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a premium feel at a premium price. Honestly, for the value, it's a solid buy. Product number 2, ILM Full Face Helmet. Next up is the ILM Full Face Motorcycle Helmet, priced at $69.99. What caught my attention was the added removable winter neck scarf and dual visors it comes with. If you want versatility for different riding conditions, this deserves your attention. Here's why this product stands out. The dual visor system, which includes a clear and tinted option, makes it easy to adapt to changing light conditions. Plus, the streamlined aerodynamic design reduces wind noise, a must for long rides. The ABS shell is lightweight but tough, meeting DOT safety standards, which is crucial when you're out on the road. With 9,500 reviews and a similar 4.5-star rating, riders appreciate its comfort and functionality. However, some users have mentioned the neck scarf can feel a bit bulky. But honestly, if you're riding in colder weather, that added warmth can be a game changer. This helmet is perfect for you if you ride in various weather conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for a super minimal design because it's got a bit more going on. Product number 3, ILM Modular Helmet. Let's talk about the ILM Motorcycle Dual Visor Flip-Up Modular Full Face Helmet, priced at $89.99. I was impressed by its modular flip-up function, which is a real convenience. If you want easy access without taking off your helmet, this is a great option. What makes this helmet a worthwhile choice? The high-resistance ABS shell provides solid protection while keeping the weight down. Plus, the anti-scratch and anti-fog visors ensure you have a clear view at all times, which is a big plus for safety. The 14,300 reviews and 4.5-star rating show that it's a popular pick among riders. Now, some users pointed out that the chin strap can be a bit uncomfortable during long rides. Here's the thing, it's adjustable, but if you're particularly sensitive in that area, you might want to test it out first. This helmet is perfect for you if you want the convenience of a flip-up design. Skip this one if you prioritize a traditional full-face structure over modular flexibility. Product number 4, Triangle Full Face Helmet. The next helmet on our list is the Triangle Full Face Motorcycle Helmet, retailing for $65.99. I was drawn to its rugged design and safety features. If safety and comfort are your priorities, this is worth considering. This helmet stands out because it meets FMVSS 218 standards, meaning it's certified for high-impact protection. Plus, the quick-release dual visor system makes switching between light conditions a breeze. With 2,500 reviews and a solid rating, it's gaining traction among riders. However, I did notice a few complaints about the sizing being off for some people. Here's the thing, measuring your head before purchasing is crucial to ensure a good fit. If you're someone who struggles with sizing, this might require extra attention. This helmet is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option with solid safety. Skip this one if you have difficulty finding the right size. Product number 5, GLX GX11 Helmet, Another Look. Lastly, we have the GLX GX11 compact full-face motorcycle helmet, once again, priced at $67.46. I wanted to highlight this helmet again because it's hard to ignore its popularity and the consistent positive feedback. If comfort and a snug fit are top priorities, it's worth a second look. Having the ability to customize the airflow is a huge benefit for those long-haul rides. Plus, the helmet's multi-density EPS liner provides that extra layer of impact protection, which is invaluable on the road. With an impressive rating and thousands of reviews, it's clearly a favorite among riders. Now, some users did mention that the helmet can feel a bit heavy after extended use. But honestly, the safety features make up for it, especially if you're taking longer rides. This helmet is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and airflow in an affordable package. Skip this one if you're looking for a super lightweight option. To wrap things up, we've explored some fantastic full-face motorcycle helmets. The GLX GX11 and Triangle are both budget-friendly options that don't skimp on safety. The ILM models offer versatility and convenience, especially for changing weather. Each helmet has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what matters most to you. Happy riding!